Hey guys, it's Sheridan from the Panhandle-Plains Historical Museum. Today I'm going to teach you how to make something at home. We will attach the links to the paper that you would need, but we're going to make thing 1 and thing 2 out of painting their hair with forks. So all you would need are the printouts, a plate for your paint, blue paint, and a fork. Probably some paper towels too. So I'm going to go ahead and pour some paint on the plate, and then we are going to start painting the hair with the fork. So just get in there and use it however you want to. So we want them to make it look pretty crazy, because you know thing 1 and thing 2's hair are pretty crazy, right? So once you have all the hair painted, you can design a shirt for it, you can design a background, whatever you want to do. But you're probably going to have to use quite a bit of paint just for the craziness of the hair. You can also make it look nice and straight too. But today I'm going to make thing 2's hair crazy. Once you're done, remember you can create a shirt or a background for it, and maybe celebrate Dr. Seuss's birthday a little late this year. But if you just tag us in your thing 1 and thing 2 posts and pictures, then we would love to see them, and we hope that you have a great day. Thanks, guys.